Hi everyone, this is Jay. I just wanted to try to finish off a couple of videos and get some of these ones put up so that I won't be under any pressure to getting things done. I'm not quite myself and feeling up to par, but I wanted to make sure I get these out. I got a Julie, we were doing a Julie nutting exchange, and one of my tags came late. The postal service is like just kind of late, and so this is my March tag. Let me move this out of the way. Move this out of the way. This is my tag from March, and it's from my good friend Sparkling Char. And this is my tag from Char, and it's my March tag. And it's all about St. Patrick's Day. Look what she's done. My girl is all sparkly up. Everything sparkly on her. She has a pot of gold. And she has some clover. 1, 2, 3. 3-leaf clover. We're still searching for that elusive 4-leaf clover. I can find 3s, but haven't found a 4 yet. But she even has clover on her boots. Look at that. Says Happy St. Patrick's Day. She is done up well. Char, you did a good job. And on the back of the tag says Happy St. Patrick's Day, March 2021, hashtag Yearofjulienuttingtags, and handmade by Sparkling Char. Sparkling Char is a wonderful creator here on YouTube. And I'll put the link to her channel down below. Show my friend Char some crafty friendships. Go over and check out her channel. And I thank you so very much, Char, for making this tag for me. And I'll check you all out in the next video. Thanks for joining me. If you're one of my subscribers, I am so lucky to have you as one of my subscribers. And if you are just passing by my channel, click that button and subscribe. I do some good stuff on here. If nothing else, you could see a good haul. So be the reason somebody smiles. Sorry, I'm trying to get my videos out and I'm not quite up to par, but I'm sure I'll be feeling much better in a couple of days. And I'll put out my other videos. I'm working on a couple of things, and I want to get those out too, but I wanted to get these videos up so that I'd have something to share with you guys. So I talk to you all in the next video. Bye now.